We will talk about what to eat for weight loss. It's a huge question and we will answer it using evidence-based medicine. First and most important rule of weight loss is calories in and calories out rule. What it means? It means you should burn more calories than you consume. You should burn more calories, you should out more calories than calories in. It's main principle. And what it means, for example, if person is 5.6 feet and 165 pounds, she needs to intake around 4 standard burger, not to maintain her weight, not to weight gain, not to weight loss. So for maintaining current weight, she needs around 4 burgers. It's around 2000 calories. If she requires weight loss, she needs to eat 3 burgers daily. And if she wants weight gain, she needs to eat 5 burgers daily. And at this case, for example, if she eats 5 burgers, it means she intakes 2500 calories. She will gain 1 pound per week. If she eats 1500 calories, it means 3 burgers, she will lose 1 pound per week. That's the mathematics of weight loss. It's main principle and everything is based on this principle. And here is question that is it important what we eat or it's important only calorie counting? Calorie counting is main principle, but for sustained weight loss, it's important also what you eat. So quality matters. What is the most important food which you intake if you want sustained and long-term weight loss and maintenance lose and loss weight? First and important part is whole grains. It's very important part of everyday meals and your daily meals. Lean proteins are important and fruits are important. Non-starchy vegetables are very important players, and what it means? It means that such vegetables are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber and vitamins and mineral. Usually such vegetables are green. So when you see green vegetables, usually they are non-starchy and they are very healthy. Such vegetables are broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, peppers, carrots, tomatoes, green beans, onions, zucchini, and mushrooms also. So not only green vegetables are non-starchy, but also different colors, as you see, such as carrots, for example, or peppers are not green, but they are still non-starchy. But as a general rule, you can remember that most green vegetables are very healthy. Fruits are another important part, and it is recommended to intake 2 or 3 servings of fruits daily. What means, for example, 2 servings or 3 servings? If we generalize, 2 or 3 servings of fruit will be 2 small apples. So 2 small apples are enough for daily fruit requirement, or 2 medium bananas, or around 100 grams of dried fruits, or 2 cups of berries. So fruits are very important, but if we say which fruits are champions, they are berries. Berries can be named as 10 out of 10. Why? Because they have low calories, they are rich in antioxidants, and they have highest concentration of antioxidants compared to any food, and they are rich in vitamins also. Second ranked fruit is apple. Apple can be 9 out of 10. First, apple is cheaper compared to other fruits usually. They are low in calories, they cause fullness easily, and they contain fiber, especially if you eat apple with skin. Other healthy fruits are grapefruit, pears, kiwi, melons, avocado. Avocado is special because it has high calories, but it has also healthy fats, omega-3, which is very important for our health. So first is non-starchy vegetables, second is fruits, berries are champions, and second best is apple. Proteins are also very important player, especially when you losing weight, you need to maintain your muscles, and proteins are very important. And in proteins, chicken breast can be named as first place because it's low in calories, high in proteins, and it has complete amino acid composition which a human requires. It's low in fat. And what is optimal size and optimal amount of breast? Chicken breast is palm size portion. It's around 120 grams. Another important source of protein is fatty fish. For example, salmon is high in omega-3, high in proteins, and it's better if you intake fish twice a week and around 150 grams per day. Third important source of proteins is Greek yogurt, plain yogurt. It's probiotic also, and one cup of yogurt is considered important part of your daily meals, daily diet. And nuts are very important also because nuts are healthy. They contain healthy fats, they contain fiber, they contain proteins, they improve mood. So they are full of healthy components, and they are full of antioxidants also. They contain minerals, they contain vitamins. And if we say which nuts are important and champions, they are almonds and walnut. And eggs are very important staple food for many people. It's high in protein and high quality protein. It's standard of protein. So when in medicine and in medical and pharmaceutical industry they want to take classical protein, it's egg protein. So egg protein is very high quality protein. Average egg contains around 6 to 7 grams of protein. It's considered high amount of protein. And whole grains are important. It's better if you avoid bakery products at all, but if you can't, and if bread is your staple food, then whole grain bread is very important. And other whole grain, whole wheat bread and whole grains are healthy because they contain high amount of fiber. Now let's say what looks like diet and what looks like principles of your diet which is helpful for weight loss. Breakfast rules or breakfast principles is you should start with whole grain because of fiber and because it causes satiety, and because after whole grain you eating less after eat whole day, so you intake less calories after eating whole grains. That's why it's important. So, and classical example of whole grain is oatmeal. Eating oatmeal is best breakfast. Also, if you love bread, for example, you can do toast from whole wheat. It's also healthy. Also, you should add some nuts, but nuts should not be high amount. You should try to be nuts around 1 ounce or 28 grams is enough. It's enough to intake in the morning, to intake enough proteins, intake enough fiber also. They call it also satiety. That's why it's better if you start your day with whole grain, for example oatmeal, plus nuts and plus fruit. For example, berries. You can add 100-gram berries or more. You can add up to 200 grams of berries to your oatmeal. It's considered best breakfast and it's around 300 to 400 calories. Of course, you can drink sugarless, sugar-free coffee or tea. You can drink as much as you wish. After breakfast, you need to mid-morning snack. Of course, some people don't eat this snack, but it helps to alleviate your hungers and alleviate your cravings after sugar drops after breakfast, after 2 hours. So for many people, mid-morning snack is important, and in this case aim for 100 calories. And what means 100 calories? It means, for example, 1 cup of yogurt or nuts, 1 handful of nuts, for example, around 28 grams again. Fruits, it can be 1 apple, mid-sized apple. It can be hard-boiled egg, 1 egg also. They can be snack. So snack is important part of health diet also. Another meal is lunch principles. For lunch, it's better if you focus on proteins, because when you want weight loss, you need to intake protein to maintain your muscles. It's very important. Also, proteins decrease appetite, increase fullness. That's why lunch, aim proteins for lunch. And which are best proteins? Best proteins are meat or chicken breast or fish or tofu. It depends your taste. And add also vegetable salad. It's important, and you can eat also 1 or 2 slices of wheat bread. That's lunch principles. And dinner principles. What is dinner principles? It's better if you eat soups or salads or small portion of lunch style meal during dinner. Try to your maximum food intake. Focus on lunch, not on dinner. Dinner should be lighter. Dinner should be smaller portions, because it's better if you avoid going to bed on full stomach. It's very important. And timing is important also. What is best time for breakfast is 1 to 2 hours after waking up. It's best time for breakfast. For lunch, best time is after 4 hours after breakfast, and for dinner is 5 to 6 hours after lunch. So as you can see, you have around 10 hours window of eating, and another 14 hours usually is fasting period. It's considered best for weight loss. Some people prefer to eat smaller portions but many times during the day, but sometimes it's difficult to control because person can eat whole day and snack whole day, and it's important to focus on amount of food, and if it's difficult to control amount of food. So I think this type of rules, this type of strategy and principles are much better. Thank you for your interest. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you for your watching. If you like my videos, please thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye for now.